After the initial installation of Magnify Profit, some setup and data synchronization tasks are required. This page is the Settings page. In order to observe the traffic data of your store, we need your authorization to access your Google Analytics data. The authorization process is simple and legitimate. When you click this button, an official Google page will appear, and you can follow the instructions provided. If you have also spent money on advertising apart from monitoring traffic data, you surely want to know how much money did you spend on traffic, and how effective was the spending. For this, we need your authorization to access your advertising platform data. Click this button to see the advertising platforms we currently support: Google, Meta, X, Bing, TikTok, and Pinterest. The authorization process is equally simple and legitimate. These are the official pages of the advertising platforms, and you can follow the provided instructions. Although the setup steps mentioned above can be skipped, it is highly recommended not to skip them. These data serve as the foundation for predicting future profits. You can confidently authorize us as we handle data security with utmost care. After this step, you will reach the data synchronization page. You will notice that we need to synchronize your store's orders and product data from Shopify, which will be used for complex analysis and calculations. You don't need to take any action in this step. Just be patient and wait. If your store has a small amount of data, this step will be completed quickly. However, if you have a large amount of data, it may take some time. This is the final step, and once completed, you will be able to see the product's dashboard.